Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around our lovely 2016 66 plate Nissan Qashqai. Now this is a lovely car, you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. All the bodywork, all the panel work is in very nice order throughout. Now we've got front and rear parking sensors on this one, we've got LED daytime running lights, we've got lower fog lamps there as well. We're riding on lovely 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels finished in a lovely sparkle silver. Now all four wheels, fantastic order and riding on really nice tyres. Then looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings, that's all in nice order. We've got our rear parking sensors there. Looking through to the boot, everything which was supplied with the vehicle is still in there today. So we've got the parcel shelf, we've got the loading individual dividers there, we've got the under carpet as well, which hides your tyre inflation kit and tyre pump. We've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Looking down then the passenger side, that's all in nice order as well. Bright silver detailing just to break up that lovely metallic black paintwork. Inside then is a cloth sports interior. Looking at the bolsters, looking at the seat base, that's all in nice order, so it's never had any sort of hard use. We've got the original tailored floor mats in there as well, front and rear. Looking at the back seats, they're all in nice order. We've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats, central armrests with cup holders. The backs of the front seats haven't been kicked and scratched, they're all in nice order. Now this is a nice spec car, so closing the door, we've got our park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, central locking, lane departure warning, you've got your traction control, auto off, you've got cruise control and speed limiter on your multi-function steering wheel, you've got all your Bluetooth phone there, all your volume and media controls, automatic lights, automatic wipers. And then as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 49,814 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display then, we've got a CD player, radio is full FM, we've got the display there as well, your media, which is your aux, and then you've got your Bluetooth phone too. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Electric parking brake, we've got our 6-speed manual transmission, central cup holders, central armrest which is in nice order as well. That's a dual armrest. Within there you've got loads of storage, aux, USB, that's all found within there. Now a lot of these cars tend to be family cars, so they do get a little bit bitty over time. This one's a very, very nice one. It's not been smoked in, there's no signs of any sort of pets, doesn't smell of pets, there's no holes, rips, tears on the seats, there's no sort of gouges in the door cards or the plastics. This is a very nice example. So, if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching the video and we look forward to your inquiry.